working on? You look so focused.
I'm just trying to finish this school project. I'm realizing I can just grab information random stuff from the internet. I did the right thing.
That's true. So, how do you even start?
First, I ask myself what exactly I need to know. That's step one, figuring out what information I need.
Smart. And then?
Oh, it's too hard! Hi, Angelisa.
Can you also help my friend? She's so worried that she can't finish it on the deadline.
I would like to offer my help. I want to help you.
The first step is to know what information you will get.
Okay, so I must focus on this topic.
Yes, that's right. Then when you're done, the next step is to locate.
Yeah, then I locate where to find it. Google, find their sites, and even asking a question.
Okay, but is that something for hard to get?
Exactly. That's why I check if I can access it properly. I like using plugins or plugins open sources. Got it. But how do you know if it's true?
I always access it. I check the author, date, source, and make sure it's reliable.
Oh, detective batch. What happens after that?
Then I organize everything in my notebook, just the important stuff.
The next step is to communicate.
You communicate what you've learned either in class or to help others. Information is meant to be shared, not just stored.
Always remember, information literacy is the ability to find, evaluate, use, and create information